Guys, I just found a platform where it is transforming how cryptocurrency can actually be used in our everyday lives. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is the landing page of Bitrefill. Link to this will be in the description of the video. It is transforming how people could use their cryptocurrency in everyday life, and it offers a practical solution for spending digital assets without the need for banks and lengthy registrations. So basically, it is making our lives easier in terms of using the digital currency that we have. And you don't have to cash it out, put it in your bank, and then withdraw it and then spend it. So you don't have to do any of those anymore. So operating in over 180 countries worldwide, Bitrefill provides access to more than 10,000 gift card options, and it allows users to convert crypto directly into brand credit instantly and securely. All right, so take note of the security, guys, because again, there are other platforms out there that claims that you would be able to use your cryptocurrency assets, but it's not as secure as you think. But of course, I would strongly suggest that you do your own research. That way you would know what you're getting yourself into, so you could also make informed decisions with all your investments and with all your expenses. So one of the key benefits of Bitrefill, guys, is that it requires no account verification to make any purchase. So users could just simply choose a gift card, pay with their preferred cryptocurrency, and then receive that code within seconds. Now, this seamless experience, guys, makes crypto spending as easy as using cash or credit card, but with more privacy and global accessibility. So in Italy, guys, Bitrefill offers a wide range of popular gift cards that are tailored to local needs. So users will be able to shop on Amazon.it, refuel at Q8 gas stations, or even buy groceries at Esselunga. So additional options include Zalando for fashion, IKEA for home goods, and Netflix for entertainment as well, which actually makes it incredibly easy for Italian users to live on crypto. And guys, a quick scroll through the Bitrefill Italy page reveals just how many daily needs can be met with digital currency. Now, Bitrefill's intuitive interface, speed, and wide selection makes it also a preferred choice for cryptocurrency holders looking for real-world utility. And this is actually what I have been looking for all the while. Look at that, guys. As you can see, you have Steam here, okay? You have Google Play, you have Meta, you even have Valorant, Twitch, PlayStation, Roblox, Xbox, and all those type of stuff. Now, whether shopping online or in the physical stores, guys, users would be able to enjoy the benefits of decentralization without sacrificing the convenience. So as crypto adoption grows, Bitrefill continues to stand out as a gateway to spending freedom, financial privacy, and global accessibility. So guys, again, I would of course strongly suggest do your own research. Do check them out, okay? Check out their website. There's a lot of information that you would be able to gather on this one. You can even top up your phone, guys. Look at that. You have T-Mobile, you have AT&T, you have Verizon and all that. You have Gap, Nordstrom, all the things. I mean, to be honest with you guys, like if not all, almost all of the brands, the top brands are already here. You even have Spotify here. You have Disney. Wow, guys, look at this. Delta Airlines is also here. You have Uber, you have Hotels.com. You gotta go ahead and check this one out, guys. Again, there are a lot of stuff that would definitely be able to spark your interest in terms of utilizing them. What's best is that you would be able to make your purchases as easy as you can and as secure as you can as well. So again, guys, make sure to go ahead and check out their websites. Make sure to also follow all their social media platforms. That way, when they have updates, announcements, airdrops, giveaways, anything and everything about this one, you will always be informed. So So you have it at the bottom of their page. You have X, Facebook, you have Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, LinkedIn. What's this? Primal.net. And you also have Discord right here. You can download their app in Apple, and then you can also download it in Android using the Google Play. So go ahead and check that one out. And of course, if you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.